Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. We're looking at a brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood LITE 2613BS. Brand new floor plan. We've got the stone decor, Newport Ash Cabinetry, master bedroom slide. Great floor plan. Let's get started. Take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, that bell. Bell will give you a notification every time I put a new camper on. Be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decor, so make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, standing at the entry door looking back. We're looking at the Newport Ash Cabinetry, stone decor, theater seat, sleeper sofa, lots of countertop space. Unique with the ultralights, got the bed slide. That's where we'll start. Queen bed on the slide out. Your windows on either side have the roller shades. The windows do open. They got little shelving. We've got receptacles on both sides. Charging area. Lights. The bed does lift. You got drawers that pull out. You got access from the outside up front. Look at the aluminum cage that the bed is on. So very high quality, very durable. Good storage. That automotive windshield up front does have a shade. Another charging area. Hanging area. Drawers down low. More roller shade. We did equip with a TV in the bedroom. It is on a swing arm. Escape window does open. And one nice feature. Magnetic latch. Holds that door there. Just little simple things like that that you don't see. Door just swinging. You got to get a door stopper. Solid door separating the bathroom to the bedroom. Speakers in the bedroom. And your second AC is ducted. Two doors, like we said, to the bathroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Nice storage in the sink, vanity, little cubby holes for your linens, corner, glass enclosed shower, overhead skylight. Again, I'm 6'5". I am just inside the skylight, over top the rail. So you got another inch or two, 6'6", maybe 6'7", but it's tight. Moving out into the living area. As soon as you walk in, your convenience area is here on the wall. So control your slides, your awning, your lights, check your holding tanks. Tank heaters. You do have the heat pads on the tanks. Day-night roller shades. Bar stools. Nice solid surface counters. Your IRV technologies, your stereo. Again, TV is on a swivel arm. Gives you better angle, but also gives you easy access to get to the cords and controls if you're adding satellite, PlayStation, Xbox, any of that. We did equip this with the solar panel and the 12-volt fridge. So larger 12-volt fridge. Forest River gives you the little Forest River spatula. Rockwood also gives you the TST, your truck systems technologies. Check your pressure, your temperature, safety feature for your tires. Filter for your water filtration. Nice lock for the refrigerator door. Your Go Power. Check your power supply on the battery. You got that with the solar panel. Thermostat located here. Your theater seating directly across from the TV. Cup holders. Charging area. You no longer have the heat massage LED lights. You got the lumbar support. Footrest still. Very comfortable, durable furniture. Windows do open. Again, day-night roller shades. That solar shade. And then your blackout shade. Charging area on the side of the sofa. Again, your windows do open. Overhead, deep storage. Max air fan with a cover. You got one in the bathroom, one in the kitchen area. You still get exhaust for your range. We'll take a look at the sofa opened up. All right, sofa opened up. I mean, basically you're gonna sleep one comfortably on this, but you got the storage underneath. Very easy to set back up. The legs just fold in. So comfortably in this camper, you're sleeping three. You've got the option for booth dinette or something different here. But as for the sofa, the way we equip this one, you're maxing out at 3 people. You've got your large Magic Chef oven, LED lights. Flush mount cover acts as a splash guard. Lots of countertop space. Charging area. More storage. Your microwave. Dual stainless steel sink with the flush mount cover. Storage throughout. Nice deep drawers. Again, tons of overhead cabinetry. So your brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood LITE 2613BS. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside. You see the nice automotive windshield, Rockwood logo, 2 30-pound LP bottles covered, power tongue jack, your 7-pin holder and chain holder right here attached to the frame. Spot for 2 batteries. 2613 is a dry weight of 6,798 pounds. Docking lights for your LED light strip up front. We equip this with awning toppers over your slide outs. Storage area here. You see the boxes for the griddle, your prep table. I'll show you those on the other side. Nice thick storage doors, magnetic latches, your docking area for your water, your black tank flush, your cable, satellite, winterization, and you got a convenience area. All close to your pull valves for your black and gray tanks. Rockwood is sending their campers with 15-inch Goodyear tires on the ultralight 2613. Another storage area here. Again, slam latch, frameless windows. Moving around to the back side, you see factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Taking a look at the roof, you see dual air conditioners, max air fan covers front and back, solar panel, your TV antenna, top of those slide outs with the slide toppers. You are prepped for a backup camera. We are looking at a 50 amp service. We did equip this with 2 air conditioners. Your spare tire mounted on the bumper. Rockwood does send their campers with the receiver to the frame. So you see it's got a 300-pound hitch weight. Not for towing, but for gear, like a bike rack, storage bin, hot and cold outside shower. Controls for your rear electric stab jacks. Another storage bin here in the back. Here is the rack that holds that griddle and prep table. You can move the TV outside, hook right here, plug it right into your cable and power. Outside speakers, full-length power awning with LED light strip. Got your exhaust for your range. 3-step step above, entry steps. Fold right up into the camper. Friction hinge holds that door open. Steps fold right up in. No exposed frame, nice and clean. Your controls for your front jacks, and you are prepped for a portable solar panel. Again, it's just backup, but it will be trickle charging those batteries. Your brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood LITE 2613BS. All right, as promised, slide out in. No access to the living area. You got access to the freezer, not the refrigerator, mainly because of that countertop. But then you got full access to the bathroom. So slides in. I mean, I guess it's possible you could switch the hinge on this, but you still would not be able to open it but a couple inches because of that countertop.